If you're a man over 50, you've probably felt it, that slow decline. Your energy isn't the same. Your motivation dips. You feel like you're stuck in second gear. Maybe your body doesn't respond like it used to. Maybe your confidence has taken a hit. And maybe, just maybe, you're starting to wonder if this is just how aging works. But here's what most people won't tell you. What you're feeling isn't just getting older. It's often a sign that something deeper is happening. The silent decline in your testosterone, year after year. And the painful truth is this: no one is coming to save you. Not your doctor, not a miracle drug, not even motivation. But here's the hopeful truth: you can save yourself. And it starts with what you do every single day, especially with what you eat. Now, let me share a real story, one that stays with me. David, a 61-year-old retired engineer, came into my clinic broken, divorced, pre-diabetic, constantly tired. He told me, "I don't even recognize myself anymore." He wasn't looking for perfection, he just wanted to feel alive again. We didn't start with testosterone therapy, we started with habits. Beets in the morning, fish twice a week, daily walks, simple strength training, greens at lunch, a Brazil nut at breakfast, and a shift in mindset. Within 90 days, he'd lost weight, lowered his blood pressure, and said the words every man deserves to say, "I'm rebuilding." And you can too. After 50, your arteries begin to stiffen, blood doesn't flow as freely, and without blood flow, nothing in the body works at its full potential. You need consistency and knowledge, starting with what's on your plate. Let's talk about 5 foods that can truly transform your body after 50. The first is beets. Yes, humble beets. They're rich in dietary nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in your body, a molecule that widens your blood vessels and improves circulation. Studies show that beet juice can improve endurance, lower blood pressure, and even help with sexual performance. I had a 58-year-old patient, a former runner who could barely walk upstairs. We added beet juice to his morning routine, and within weeks he told me, "Doc, my legs feel like they woke up again." Try 6 to 8 ounces of beet juice in the morning on an empty stomach, or add cooked beets to your salad. Second, we have fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, powerful anti-inflammatory agents that also boost testosterone production. One clinical study found that men with higher omega-3 intake had higher total testosterone levels and better cardiovascular health. One of my patients, a 63-year-old who hadn't eaten fish in decades, began eating grilled salmon just twice a week. His energy increased, his cholesterol improved, and his mood shifted in just 1 month. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish weekly, grilled or baked, not fried. Next, don't underestimate the power of dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These vegetables are loaded with magnesium, vitamin K, and even more dietary nitrates. Magnesium in particular helps regulate testosterone and supports better sleep, which is critical for hormonal balance. I had one patient, 54 years old, who switched his lunch from sandwiches to spinach salads with olive oil and lean protein. In 6 weeks, his blood pressure dropped 15 points, no medications. Add greens to your omelets, smoothies, or stir fries. They're easy to include and incredibly effective. The fourth food is pomegranate, one of the oldest performance enhancers in history. I'll never forget what a 60-year-old client told me. "I started drinking pomegranate juice, and my wife asked what changed. Enough said. Choose pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice and drink about 4 ounces per day." Finally, one of the most overlooked superfoods for men over 50, Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day provides enough selenium, a mineral essential for testosterone production and sperm health. If you're watching this and feel like life has passed you by, I want you to hear me loud and clear. You are not too old, you are not too far gone. Your body may have slowed, but your future is still under construction. You don't need motivation, you need momentum. You don't need a savior, you need a standard. And that standard starts today with your next meal, your next step, your next decision. Start small, eat smart, move daily, sleep better, think sharper. You have decades ahead of you if you treat your body like it matters, because it does. You don't need to go back to who you were. You need to become who you were meant to be. Rebuild your body, rebuild your mindset, rebuild your legacy. Subscribe to Iron After 50 for more weekly content that helps men like you take back control. because you're not done yet, you're just getting started.